interchangeable.
Trying to save my boots the best I can. And they're already creased, but every little helps. I wouldn't with me because my stuff doesn't fit.
Yeah, this guy's like strapped in, can't get anything under him.
You came to my pass off.
Is it?
Do you remember you see the videos?
Well, which one?
Heartbreak.
Which year was this?
Heartbreak Hill.
Heartbreak Hill, oh.
Was it, I can't remember the name. Is it Pageant Troop or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in that.
Nice, mate. So what are you guys doing now?
Trying to get this off. Thank you.
Next order of address, isn't it?
Not for me though.
You know why, mate? Because you're massive, that's why.
Oh, massive, yeah. So then PT sessions.
So how was the inspection though, boys?
No, it was good.
Yeah, real good. Yeah. Nice and easy. One trip the best as per.
All passed?
Yeah, all passed.
Literally a few minor points, like a few little smudges on grasses. But other than that, it's really good effort. The blues got back out loads yesterday, so. Oh my goodness.
So what's next after this?
Church dress.
Yeah. Number 1 tunic, church order.
Come on, mate. Body system. Come on now.
Yeah. I can use it now as well.
Really yours? I think so.
Mine's tight.
Oh my god. One, two. Can't get it. Honestly.
What's the problem there?
It's too tight. The little bit of brown buff that holds the crossbelt on. Your caras's gone. Yeah, I can get this off myself, mate. I'm telling you. I know it.
Let go. I'm so close.
Go on then, do it. Go on. Shout out Twitch.
Shout out Twitch.
Yeah,
you're
I have a
Twitch.
Twitch, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
What Twitch is it?
No, I do Twitch.
How many followers you got? Almost.
190.
190 followers.
Yeah, average about 60 viewers per stream.
Ah,
Well,
that's good,
active
mate.
viewers, yeah.
Active views.
Yeah,
Oh,
which means they're always in and talking in the chat and stuff, not just there just to watch.
Hey.
Yes.
Get there. Finally. Freedom! Hey, good luck. So what are you guys changing into next?
Church order.
Yeah?
Yeah, number 1 tunics, which is just a better version of the tunic that we're currently wearing. No carasses. Crossbelt back on. Chelsea boots, which are like just the lower half of a jack boot pretty much. And patrol trousers, which are like a...
Sound good. Good luck, boys.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah. This one's actually quite easy.
I think you're going to pass this next one?
Oh yeah.
How many times have you done this now? Roughly, you can think about. No, honestly speaking.
Oh, well, this particular inspection?
Yeah.
8 times?
Yeah. Potential PTI.
Potential.
So where's your kit, mate?
My kit is back at the locker because I'm exempt from this. Because I'm on the Princess Elizabeth Cup. So basically it's comprised of the cleanest troopers in the regiment, and it's a competition who has the cleanest kit on that day on their horse with their bio and about their character, and that's what I'm doing basically.
The cleanest trooper, so that means if you're the cleanest, the rest of them dirty.
Naturally, of course.
Anyway, good luck, bro.
Thank you very much.
You're struggling there, bro.
No, just like the aesthetics. It's like you need a little bbit of loose when you've got a crossbelt on, but we're not wearing crossbelts, so the aesthetics was making sure it's tight, so this looks a little bit better. Because they loosen off a little bit, so I just want to tighten it up before going on.
Like a tash bag. You need some gel in that tash bag.
The crash, the helmet,
Oh, is it? Oh,
rubbing on it and just got rid of it all.
Oh, nice one. Good luck on the next inspection.
Thank you.
You get all the medals, Rob.
pure ceremonial, that, mate.
Chocolate medals.
Chocolate medals. Yeah. And being a good boy.
Ah, nice one.
Officers of parade. Trigger. Parade.
My broski.
Sat there. Busy.
This was your task.
Right points. Take note and rectify that stuff.
How's it going so far, great?
Yeah, it's good. Better than the Blues, as always. Better than the Blues.
Should go.
Easy win.
People, that's the play. All the way forward.
I'll pass, man.
Yeah, all pass. So 100% pass. That's a good. Yeah, no resale apart from Trooper Ardo. He can resale tomorrow.
That was just a joke, yeah.
It's odd. He's got here.
Well done, boys.
Yeah, well done.
It's good. We smashed it. Not many points to pick up, only a few little things. But again, like I said, we beat the Blues. So we're winning. Happy life, guys.
Well, what the Blues were saying on the last inspection that they did, that they done quite well, actually.
Nah, don't be silly. Dirty dinks. Up the life, guys. That's what we're about.
So I say smash it with the park, yeah?
Yeah, of course we did. Of course we did. All day, every day. We're the better squadron, 100%.
Hey.
Better squadron, bro.
Nice one, mate. This style of video is something slightly different, you know what I mean? It's been a while since I've done something like this. Really enjoy this style type of vlog, to be honest. Today's vlog, it was literally a day in the life to showcase what these guys and girls get up to, you know what I mean? It was a kit inspection today, CO's kit inspection, I should say. It all went well. Just the buzz what I get from the guys today, you know what I mean? Maybe that's why I kind of really like this style type of vlog. I just want to say for you, the viewers who's watching this as well, more likely you will see these guys and girls is either one, they're riding on in the kit, or two, they standing on parade somewhere looking really smart, you know. But I just want to say the amount of work, time, effort they put into this kit is unreal. And even when the inspection finishes as well, they don't even end there. Like, they literally went back maybe another 2-3 hours back on the kit again, get it back up to 100% standard again. It's like, you know, it's like never ending for them, really. I personally don't feel they're getting the pat on the back as much as all they should deserve that. So you don't know, from my boy Fabziy, you know what I mean, from me to you, you know what I mean, I just want to give a massive thumbs up. So for you the viewers watching this as well, guys, you know what I mean, just make sure you drop them a nice comment as well, big thumbs up as well, and you know what I mean, thanks for tuning in. You know what I mean, as well said, this style video, something different, you know, a day in the life vlog, you know, behind the scenes, you know what I mean, and I don't think this style of video vlog has been shown before, so you don't know your boy Fabziy is going to bring something different, you know, and showcase it. And I just want to say, guys, on a different note though, for all my new subscribers, you know what I mean, my subscribers going up, I just want to say a massive thank you, guys, you know what I mean, I really appreciate it. You know, my goal for this year, guys, I want to hit my 200k subscribers. For all the viewers who's watching, what are you waiting for? Come on, I know you like my videos, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button somewhere down there, drop me a comment, you know what I mean, if you're new subscriber as well. You know what I mean, I just want to say a massive thank you again, you know what I mean, and obviously for my original subscribers, I just want to say thank you again, you know, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, guys, push this video out, you know what I mean, like, share, subscribe and all of that stuff. And yeah, algorithm picked this up and is a different level, he's a goner. So I just want to say a massive thank you, guys. Something different today. I think I might bring this back, day in the lifestyle vlog, you know, and you don't know, your boy Fabziy. Stay blessed, peace.